Welcome back to our channel, guys. This series was highly requested. How to make money from anywhere as a digital nomad. So today is the first part in a mini series sequence on YouTube where you're going to learn how to make money from anywhere in the world as a digital nomad. Before I get into how we became digital nomads, you need to understand what a digital nomad is. A digital nomad is someone that works from anywhere in the world. Whether they own an online business or they might work remotely, there are various industries that you can get into to work remotely. And since the whole thing that's been going on the past few years, more companies than ever are looking for remote workers in various areas of the world. There are even countries that want you to come there just to become a digital nomad on a digital nomad visa, but we will save that for another video. We became digital nomads through my freelance writing business. So I'm a copywriter, which means I create sales emails, I create sales pages, I create website copy, I create marketing campaigns, and I do one-to-one marketing coaching from anywhere in the world. And I have assistants that work with me in the US to ensure everything is spick and span and getting delivered on time. So you too can become a digital nomad once you understand the skill set you already have. It's going to be much easier to start this life and to start an income from where you're at right now if you use the skills you already have. If you're in the boat where you feel like you don't have a lot of skills or you don't know what to do right away, there is a website that you can utilize, actually two. One is called Udemy, and it will teach you almost anything from graphic design to web developing. I think they even have like cooking courses on there. So you can actually take these courses, master your craft or whatever your expertise is, and then market that to clients and other businesses if you're going the business to business route. If you're going the business to consumer route, say you're a fitness trainer, you can host online courses and pay for group coaching programs for them to view your webinars from anywhere in the world. This is essential right now, as everyone knows, because job security isn't a thing anymore, obviously. Your job can fire you, and at this point in the world where we're at right now, it's best to be self-sustainable. And you can only be self-sustainable if you make your own money and you're not dependent on anyone else for your money. Most digital nomads do have multiple streams of income. So you may have a freelance business, or you may have a business in the States. You may do drop shipping. I don't do that, but that is an option. Drop shipping is when you actually have a product. Say there's a website called Teespring. They sell t-shirts, mugs, cups, and things like that. They will send your designed product to your customers without you being in the middle of it. You're just the creator that's getting these products out to them. You can become a YouTuber as well. YouTubers make money in multiple ways. You don't have to be monetized on YouTube to make money. You can make money on YouTube doing drop shipping or teaching your expertise, anything that you're an expert in. So this is how you can become a digital nomad quick within the next 3 months if you work at it. Throughout this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to start your own business, how to become a digital nomad, how to make between $5,000 and $10,000 per month, every month. So stay tuned, drop your questions below, and get ready for the journey. How long was that?
Not even 4 minutes.
Okay. Stop it. Why you do, babe? We're not doing all that.